Okay. So first chapter, that is, what is the name of the first chapter? Who did Patrick's homework, right? Who did Patrick's homework? So this is a very interesting topic, you know, and very interesting character also is there. So first of all, I want to ask you one question. How many of you love to do your homework? How many of you? Tell me honestly. How many of you? I know some of you say, ma'am, I don't like to do my homework. Somebody have said, ki ma'am, we will do our homework. So it's a different, every children has a different answer, right? So in this story, we can see a small boy who is your age. His name is Patrick. So please listen carefully the story, because next week I will ask you some MCQs question related this paragraph, because today we will complete certain paragraph, not whole story. Okay. And after reading this paragraph, I will explain you each and every line, right? So in this story, one boy, three characters is there. And one more thing, children, after completing my class, means before ending my class, I will give you 10 minutes so that you can ask your query. In between, nobody will ask questions. Okay. So before ending my class, I will give you 10 minutes. So that time you can ask you any questions. Okay. So in this character, in this story, you can see three characters are there. One is Patrick, another is Cat, and third is Elf. Okay, Elf. Three characters are there. Yes, Arav, I will ask you questions, or if you want to say something after 10 minutes or 15 minutes, okay? But you just first listen carefully. After that, I will listen. Don't worry. So, who is going to do his homework? Who is going to do his Patrick homework? कौन Patrick का homework करता है? So, now we will search these things. Who will? First, you have to, I hope you are having book. So, please look into your book. First paragraph I am going to read. Okay, please listen carefully. Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey, basketball, and Nintendo instead. His teacher told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. And it's true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. But what could he do? He hated homework. Okay? So, first paragraph, you can say, you will say, in this story, the boy called Patrick, he never did his homework. Why? He find his homework become very boring. Instead doing his homework, he always play hockey, basketball, video games. Nintendo means it's a one type of video game. I hope you know better than me. Nintendo is sometimes a video game. Okay, or some indoor game, not outdoor game. Okay. And also his teacher used to say him that, Patrick, please complete your homework. Otherwise, you will never learn anything. Patrick realized also that these things, that homework is also very much important. But he feels like ignoramus. What is the meaning of ignoramus? Ignorance means an ignorant person who lacks education. Okay, so that is ignoramus. He felt that not doing his homework can make him dull. He fails. That he fails, not doing his homework, he felt very dull. And he will not learn anything because he will not do his homework. So that's why he will not learn anything. So that he failed, that he realized. But his problem is he hated homework. Main problem kya hai? The main problem is this. He hated homework. So what the solution? Now he got one solution. So let's see what he got a solution. Now come to next paragraph. Paragraph number 2. Then one day he found his cat. You know, Patrick has a cat. Okay, so one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. Grabbed. Do you know what is the meaning of grabbed? What is the meaning of grabbed? I will tell you the meaning also. First, let me complete the paragraph, okay? So one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and grabbed it away. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll. So he got a doll, but his surprise, it wasn't a doll. वो एक doll नहीं था. So what was this? क्या था वो? It was not a doll. It was an elf. So what is an elf? Elf is a man that is tiniest size. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned, breeched, and high tall hat. So you can look at the picture. A tiny elf, and he had a long hat. Okay. And he wore a woolen shirt with a trouser. Okay? With the trouser. So, you can see in the picture the elf. So, elf was a tiniest size man. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeched and high tall hat, much like a witch. He yelled, "Save me, save me, don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you. I will grant you." Okay. So, second paragraph we will see. So what was the problem? Main problem was there related to the homework. So let's see. He found a little cat was playing with a doll. So Patrick had a cat. You have to remember that thing. Patrick quickly took that doll. When he heard that sound, he yelled and took that doll from the cat. But Patrick was surprised. It was not a doll. It was an elf. Do you know? I already told you what is elf. Elf is a tiniest size man. So Patrick hold that man. He was shouting, save me from the cat." So Patrick thought, Patrick was very clever boy, you know. So Patrick told him, "If you will help you, that I will help you definitely." Patrick was a very clever boy. So the Patrick said that you have to promise me something. So the elf felt that his life is in danger. Elf felt his life is in danger, and also Elf promised to Patrick, so he would grant any wish. Okay, because Patrick felt his life was in danger, so Elf said, yes, you can ask me any wish, I will fulfill your wish. I will grant your wish. Okay, so think about it. So Patrick, in order to save his life, he fulfilled his wish. So in this still paragraph, we will, yahan tak jahan hum log padhe hain, we got some new words. So number 1, Nintendo. That is a sort of video games. Number 2, grab. What is the meaning of grab? Grab means to hold something. Okay, grab means to hold something. Breeched means a short trouser. Okay, yelled means a sort of cry. So these word meanings we got till that paragraph. Next. Next paragraph. Okay. Next paragraph. Wait, I will show you the book also. So I hope this is your book, na? Second paragraph completed. Now come to third paragraph. I hope the screen is visible. Can you able to see my screen? Okay. Third paragraph. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. When he got Elf and Elf was saying, I will fulfill your wish. So that time Patrick was thinking how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all his problem. Which problem Patrick had? Related to homework. Anna? Which problem Patrick had? Related to homework. So Patrick thought we got a solution. What solution he got? He got the tiniest man, that is an elf. So he said, only if we'll do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days. If you do a good enough job, I could even get as. So think about it, how clever Patrick. Patrick told him, see, you have to complete all the work till my semester. What is the meaning of semester? Semester means half or a quarter term in school or universities. Okay, so that is called semester. You must have heard the word semester, first semester, second semester, है ना? So semester means half or quarter first exam in schools or university. So think about it. So Patrick was how clever. He told him that only if we'll do all my homework, till the semester, that 35 days. So if you will do good enough the job, I could even get. अब ये सुन के Elf thought that it's a problem. It's a big problem for Elf. Because what problem is? Because it was an elf. he doesn't know how to work, how to complete homework. So Patrick asked him that you have to complete my homework till my semester. And he said to do his homework nicely so that he could get A grade. How clever Patrick, Socho. He also told to the evils that you have to complete my homework very nicely so that he could get A grade in the exam. So what about the poor elves? The little elves was in trouble. The little elves was in very trouble. Why? Because he was an elf. How could he do Patrick's homework? He tried to revoke, but no use. He tried to revoke. He told him, no, I will not do your homework. How could I do? But no use. He kicked his egg. He kicked his leg. And last of all, he agreed. Last of all, he could agree to do the Patrick's homework. He thought, next paragraph first I'll read, then I'll explain you. Okay. Next, fourth paragraph, the little man face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. So when the elf heard that news that he had to complete Patrick homework, that time his face like a wrinkled dishcloth. I hope you have seen this cloth. And when it's thrown to the hamper, hamper means something bucket, some bucket that with the cover, that is hamper. Okay, so the little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his leg and dabbed his fist. Fist means like this, fist. And he grins and scolded and pursed his lips. Oh, I am cursed, but I will do it. So what is the meaning of curse? What is the meaning? You got so many new words in this paragraph. Hannah, what is the, first of all, tell me what is the meaning of lucky? We usually use this word. I'm so lucky. Bolte ho na aap log? So what is the meaning of lucky? Lucky means fortunate. Lucky means fortunate. What is the meaning of lucky? Please repeat after me. Lucky means fortunate. Okay. Next word, that is problem. What is the meaning of problem? We generally use this word so many times. Mama, I have one problem. Ma'am, I have one problem. I will not do this because I have one problem. What is the meaning of problem? Problem means difficulties, right? Problem means difficulties. Next, semester, that I already told you, half or quarter past in school. That is semester. Next is hamper. Hamper means a basket with the lid. One type of basket with lid. Next is Grimm's scolded purse his lips. You can see here I am underlining this word. Grimm's and scolded and purse. So children, if you have pencil, you can underline the hard words so that you can learn the word meanings and the spelling also. Okay. So you can underline the words, hard words. If you have pencil, you can do this. Okay. So Grimm's and scolded and pursed his lips. What is the spelling of Grims? Grimaced. Grims. Scolded. SCO. Please repeat after me. मेरे साथ repeat करते जाओ. SCOWLED. Scolded. And purse. PURSED. Here you can see purse. His lips. That means his face had this expression showing anger, disgust, and disapproval. That means he won't do this homework. Who else? Okay. So helps को होमवर्क करने का बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं था क्योंकि उसे पता ही नहीं था कैसे होमवर्क करते हैं. So that's why his face like this. So he was showing this anger. That's why the poet was using this word, that is Grims, scolded, pursed his lips. So his face had this expression showing anger, disgust, and disapproval. Okay, next new word that you got, I'm underlining this word. You have to do this, wrinkle. Okay, wrinkled. Here you can see W is silent. RINKLED. It's a wrinkle, but here you can see W is also there. But here W is silent. So you have to say wrinkled. Okay, when you pronounce, so how to spell out? WRINKLED. wrinkled. Okay, हिंदी में जिसे कहते हैं सिकुड़ जाना, है ना, wrinkled हो जाना पूरा फेस. हम लोग जब कोई भी चीज करना नहीं चाहते तो हमारा फेस कैसा हो जाता है, एकदम wrinkled हो जाता है. नो, मुझे ये नहीं करना है, हम बोलते हैं ना. So wrinkle. Next word is curse. The last one, the last line you can see, oh, I am cursed. हिंदी में जिसे कहते हैं अभिशाप. Okay, so something bad, curse. So curse means something bad. Okay, ill-fated. So what is the meaning of curse? Curse means ill-fated. ill, fated. FATED. Ill-fated. Okay, so what he thought? He thought that now I don't have any option because Patrick had saved my life from cat. So I have to do Patrick's work. So that's why last of all, else agree. Yes, I will do your work. Okay, so till that 4th standard we have completed today. Next week I will complete next 4th standard. So again I am revising the 4th paragraph. Please listen carefully. First paragraph, we got some new words. Please underline it. Like Nintendo. It's a new word. Underline it. And one more important word, ignoramus. Okay, ignoramus. Second paragraph, you can see grabbed. Underline it. Grabbed. 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 Okay, GRABBED. Grabbed. Underline it. Next, third paragraph. Tiniest. If I ask you what is the meaning of elf, so you have to give the answer, ma'am. Elf means it's a tiniest size man. If I ask you what is the meaning of elf, so you can say tiniest size man. Okay, what is the meaning of elf? He had a wool shirt, old fashioned. That means out of fashion. Okay, that means out of fashion. Old fashioned. That means out of fashion. Old fashioned. FASHIONED. Fascined. Fashioned. Next, you can underline this word also. Breech. Yearned. Promise. Next class, I will ask you hard words and word meaning. And next paragraph, I already introduced these words. That is wrinkled, purse, curse, okay, and hamper, HAMPER. So that is your work. You have to write down all the hard words in your copy. I hope you have made 2 copies, one for English grammar and one for English literature, right? So you have to put today's date, chapter name, and then write hard words. Not all, only from 4 chapters. So today I have completed 4 chapters. So you have to